Hi there. Here's some information for you on investing. Investing is a way to use your money to buy something that you think will make you more money in the future. It's like buying a toy today and playing with it for a long time, then selling it to someone else for more than you paid for it. Instead of a toy, you buy something else that you think will grow in value over time. Imagine you have $5 and you want to buy some candy. But instead, you decide to buy a plant. You water the plant, give it sunshine, and over time, it grows bigger and stronger. Eventually, you can sell the plant for more than $5, making a profit. That's investing. You can also invest in things like stocks, real estate, or other items that you think will grow in value over time. Investing can be a bit like a game because you want to make smart choices and pick things that will grow in value. It's like picking the best players for your kickball team, so you have a better chance of winning the game. Similarly, you want to pick the best investments so that your money can grow. There are lots of different things you can invest in. For example, some people like to invest in stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of the company. If the company does well, the value of the stock goes up, and you can sell it for more money. Other people like to invest in real estate. This means buying a piece of property, like a house or a store. If the property goes up in value, you can sell it for more money later on. Investing can be a bit scary because you don't want to lose your money. It's like playing a game of tag. You want to be fast and agile so that you don't get tagged. Similarly, you want to be smart and careful so that you don't lose your money. That's why it's important to do your research and make smart choices. Before you invest your money, you should learn as much as you can about the investment. You want to make sure that you're buying something that will grow in value over time, not something that will lose value. It's like doing your homework before you take a test. Investing takes time. You can't just put your money in and expect to get rich overnight. It's like growing a garden. You have to plant the seeds, water them, and wait for them to grow. Similarly, you have to invest your money and wait for it to grow. This can take years or even decades. If you're patient and you make smart choices, investing can be a great way to grow your money over time. It's like baking a cake. You have to mix all the ingredients together, put it in the oven, and wait for it to bake. But when it's done, you have a delicious cake to enjoy. Similarly, when your investments grow, you can enjoy the rewards. One thing to keep in mind is that investing always involves some level of risk. You might make money, but you might also lose money. It's like jumping off a diving board. You might have a lot of fun, but you might also get hurt. That's why it's important to be smart and make informed decisions. Another way to reduce your risk is to diversify your investments. This means buying different types of investments so that if one investment doesn't do well, your other investments can make up for it. It's like having a variety of toys to play with. If you get bored with one toy, you can play with another one. Similarly, if one investment doesn't do well, your other investments can make up for it. Your time horizon is how long you plan to keep your money invested. If you have a long time horizon, like many years, you can take on more risk because you have more time to recover from any losses. It's like taking a road trip. If you have a lot of time, you can take the scenic route and enjoy the journey. Similarly, if you have a long time horizon, you can take on riskier investments and enjoy the potential rewards. When you invest your money, you might have to pay fees. These fees are like the cost of playing a game. You might have to pay to rent the game or buy the pieces. Similarly, you might have to pay fees to buy and sell investments. Make sure you understand the fees before you invest your money. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This means that you shouldn't invest all your money in one thing because if that thing doesn't do well, you could lose all your money. It's like putting all your toys in one basket. If the basket falls, all your toys will break. Similarly, if you invest all your money in one thing and it doesn't do well, you could lose all your money. Investing can be a great way to grow your money over time, but it's important to be smart and make informed decisions. You should do your research, be patient, and diversify your investments. Remember, investing involves some level of risk, so it's important to be careful and not invest more money than you can afford to lose. And just like a game or a toy, Investing can be fun and rewarding when done right.